Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Health and Wellness 101, your go-to channel for all things health-related. Today, I want to talk about something that's essential for our well-being: hydration. And what better way to stay hydrated than with some delicious infused water recipes? Now, I know plain water can get boring sometimes, but fear not. I've got some amazing springtime hydration hacks for you. Picture this: a refreshing blend of cucumber, mint, and lemon. It's like a spa day in a glass. Or how about a zesty combination of strawberries, basil, and lime? Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. These infused water recipes are not only tasty, but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Plus, they're super easy to make. Just grab your favorite fruits, herbs, and a pitcher of water, and you're good to go. Remember, hydration is key to maintaining a healthy body and mind, especially as the weather gets warmer. So give these infused water recipes a try and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Health and Wellness 101 for more tips, tricks, and recipes to help you live your best, healthiest life. Stay hydrated, my friends.